Hi folks, this is a bit of an experiment. We'll see how it goes. We're studying cities and urbanization, and part of that is understanding how a city is set up. Often we tend to think of a city kind of like a bullseye. So a center with rings around it. Very often we think of the center as the downtown core, and the furthest rings to the outside would be the most rural. So farms, much more open spaces. When we think of it that way, we know for a fact it's not set up exactly like that. Sometimes there'll be a larger section that comes out further that all has similar activity. So that could be all business reaching out there. It could be that the business sector picks up again in another section further over. When we look at where people live, there's always people who live downtown, and we tend to think of people living in sort of these areas, which would be the suburbs. So when we look at the city structure, it's not strictly a bullseye ring. There's some variation with that, and that's determined by geography as well. Halifax, we have the peninsula, and we've got the harbor, so the shape of our city and how it develops is different because of that. The key things we're thinking of for this is the CBD, and that's the Central Business District, the suburbs, so where people are living, knowing that they live downtown too, and then the furthest out, and that's rural. So CBD, Central Business District, that is where the bulk of big business is happening. Suburbs and residential, where the majority of people are living, we don't see as much business, or it'd be much smaller just to support those. And then rural, so that's where we're looking at our agriculture and nowhere near as many people. So that's just an idea on city structure. Don't mind the cat, he likes to hang out.